happen to my child? Tell me, how am I going to impact speech to my child? But pray plus action. So the child is going to want to make the effort, and that's the shortcut. Hello everybody. Welcome yet another time to an exciting session with Sashakt Empowering Lives. I am Rajni Singh, and here on this channel we talk about everything related to autism parenting in an effective manner. So for all of you who are new to this channel, quick introduction. I am a special educator, now 17 years of work experience, 21-year-old son on the autism spectrum, and 11-year-old neurotypical. I generally say 21-year-old on the spectrum, and the 11-year-old says, why you don't talk about me? So yes, two boys, neurotypical, 11-year-old, neurodiverse, 21-year-old, and he has completed his hotel management and done with his graduation. Now he's doing his internship with a cafe. So both as a mother as well as a therapist, I'm here to help you understand how to effectively parent your kid on the spectrum and take this journey forward. So if you like our content, press the like button, subscribe to us, press the bell so you don't miss anything important, and share with anybody you think it will help. So very quickly, let's get started for today. The topic is, a lot of people ask me this question: when will speech happen to my child? When will speech happen to my child? Yeah. So the point here is that when we are looking at a neurotypical kid, yeah, things happen. They begin to get up, they begin to walk. There's a time when they sit and then they crawl and then they walk and then they run and they can jump and they can talk. Unfortunately, when it comes to neurodiversity, and especially the area of speech and communication, we cannot sit there waiting, hoping for some miracle to happen and speech to come. It does not mean that every neurodiverse child is going to be necessarily nonverbal. No. Children will develop speech at some point in time on their own, but it is too risky to take a chance by leaving it at the mercy of the forces, universal forces, as to when the child begins to speak. That is not how you can work with autism, fully knowing that it's a pervasive developmental delay issue. Yeah. So basically, that question has to be replaced from when will speech happen to my child to tell me how am I going to impact speech to my child. That is the question we need to ask. And a lot of active intervention, human intervention, parental intervention, therapeutic intervention will be needed. And the sooner you do it, the better it is, because you save a lot of years. As it is, because it is a developmental delay, we cannot take chances and keep sitting there for things to happen, because then the delay will become so much that the child will not be able to keep pace with the world around him or her. So, in a nutshell, if by the age of 2.5, your child is still not talking, what do you have to do? Not wait, yeah? Not pray, no. Not pray is wrong, yeah? Pray, but pray plus action. Pray and just sit there is a no, big no. But pray plus action. And the action is, you will take flashcards, you will sit with the kid and make exaggerated lip movements. Okay. Now, a lot of people tell me that we have to start with, and speech therapists also say this, that we have to start with first sounds, not the words. And they're right. They're right when you're doing it clinically. Okay. But when you're doing it organically, you are looking at what the child likes, which means his entire attention, motivation is onto that particular product which he likes. Yeah, product or whatever. animal, object, basically, that the child likes. So the child is going to want to make the effort, and that's the shortcut. Of course, you need the speech therapy intervention. So you will take the child to the speech therapist. They will give some oromotor massages if needed so that certain specific sounds can be brought forward. Having said that, that has to be done. But alongside, now for example, in my Jay's case, he was 2 years and 10 months and he wouldn't talk. And he loved the aeroplane, the helicopter and the buffalo. So his first 3 words that came were Onkwin, Buffalo, Haikuto. That's aeroplane, buffalo and helicopter. Not clear, but those were the first sounds he made. Now these are complicated words. So we didn't start with mama, papa. We started with these big words. Why? He loved them. And so he naturally put in a lot of effort in trying to say them. Side by side, the speech therapist will of course teach the words, the sounds, ba, ma, ka, ki, all of that. That has to happen. So take flashcards with your kid, things that he likes or she likes, and then frequency, intensity, duration principle. Thrice a day, which means morning, afternoon, evening, same time. Sit down with the kid in a structured place, not on the bed, not for the kid to roll down and move away. No. Sit in a structured place, sit down with the kid, show the picture cards, make exaggerated lip movements, get the card to return the word, get the kid to return the word to you. Yeah. For how long? 20 minutes. How many days? 21 days. High on intensity, frequency thrice a day, and duration 20 minutes. You will see that if the things that you are putting in front of the child in the card are the things he likes, he or she will begin to give out those words, if not very clearly, at least some bit of it in 21 days. That is how you will approach the issue of speech. Please, as I repeat the same thing, do not wait for Mother Nature to show you miracles. Go right ahead and take it in your hands and start the process, and that's when Mother Nature will show you much bigger miracles, because your hard work, effort, dedication and commitment towards your child is also visible to Mother Nature. If you like the content, please give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe to us, share with people you think will be benefited, and press the notification button. If you want to learn more about autism, every Tuesday we do Instagram and YouTube live sharp 7 p.m. The link to those events is given in the description box. Please go there, click on that and join. Also, we do the Autism Masterclass 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. every Friday. Go right ahead and join that. Learn it so that you can provide a better future to your child. Thank you. May each keep winning.